Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm doing a new one. Not the flavor, but the mold. Flamingos. And what flavor goes with flamingos? Guava. So let's get to it. Come on. Welcome back, everybody. So for this one, we're rocking 225 grams or 2/3 of a cup corn syrup, followed by 80 grams pure cane sugar, 42 grams gelatin, 125 grams applesauce, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1 pinch malic acid. For the flavor, Torani guava. We're going to use half a cup of this, followed by some fresh guava. Yeah, this stuff's good. Only takes a little bit, probably 1 little squirt versus 2. First in, sugar, followed by gelatin. Give those a quick stir just to blend them up a little bit. Next in, corn syrup. Followed by, you guessed it, applesauce. And let's not forget the guava. Give those a quick little stir. Now, let's hit it with this. Now the fun parts, give it a little tasty taste. Oh, it's like biting into a fresh guava right there. So let's let it sit for that 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom, and we'll put it on the heat. The oil's almost ready, so we're gonna add some color to the pot. First in, just a little bit of white. Oh man, I'm all out of pink. So, hit it with a little bit of rose. 1, 2, oh that's 3. Darn it. Let's do 4, let's see how it goes. Oh, that actually turned out pretty good. But of course we're gonna have to readjust once we add the oil. But so far, so pretty. And here's that oil. And you know the drill. I'm gonna stir for the next 3 to 5 minutes until all that oil has fully intertwined with that gelatin. Believe it or not, I had some stuff come up yesterday, and so after I mixed this batch together, I had to leave, go to the office. Then I had to get the kids from school and do some grocery shopping. So I just left this batch covered in plastic wrap, and here we are today. I also make gummies called meltdowns, and they're about the size of a stick of butter. I'll make a whole batch, excluding the oil slurry. Then I'll let them cure just as I normally would. I'll sand them in sugar, let them dehydrate, and then I'll vacuum seal them. This way, I can come back to them at a later date and time during the week, say that I'm crunched for time, or I've got a lot going on. Makes life a lot easier. So then all I would do is melt them down and then add the oil and continue as you would. Simple. All right, the oil is almost combined. So I'm gonna keep stirring for another minute or so, and then I'll let it sit until we hit that rolling boil, and I'll be back. I lied. We need to hit that food coloring back up. So, back with the rose, I'm gonna do 4. We want it to be, guava pink would be nice. I forgot I was out of actual pink, and I was going to aim for flamingo pink, but I don't want to put that much food coloring in, at least not the white. 6 more drops for a total of 10. Well, 10 additional. It's looking better, but it has more of a mauve. So, let's go another 5. Alright, 5 more. No, forget it. Let's go 10. And 2 cherry reds. Okay, I'm out of cherry red. How about sunset red? Oops. 1, 2. For those paying attention, that was 3 sunset red. is looking better. So, now for those also paying attention, when you're making your own batches, the color of the batch will get a little darker once it's ready. So when you can see that change, you know you're there. It's the fun pro tip. Again, on the camera, doesn't look like in person. In person, looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna turn up the heat. We're gonna let this come to a rolling boil. See you soon, for sure this time. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Quick stir so we don't burn on the bottom. All right, let me get those acids in. Be right back. Just a little bit. Now let's stir it up, little darling, for the next 1 to 2 minutes so we can evaporate out all that excess water we just added back. Again, these cameras are doing nothing for the color. One day I'll have money for a great camera. All right, I'm gonna turn up the heat a little. All right, now that we've got that done, I'm gonna go set up the pour station. I'll see you soon. All right, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. First time using these molds, and I'm pretty excited about it. Because they're pink flamingos, and I love flamingos. I have a lot of flamingo art and some other things. Honestly, I just love birds in general. I was watching the screen. Just kidding, I totally forgot to push record when I was sanding the gummies. So instead, I've got these beautiful pictures. Just look at them. I hope you enjoyed this video. And there you have it, everybody. Guava flamingo gummies. Super simple, very delicious. Another one of those late summer snacks that goes great with the oncoming fall. As always, thanks for watching. And if you need any help, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.